Hello and welcome to this edition of Locust 2020, showing from Philly All Night Johnny, coming to you live from the Locust R&D Center. And today we celebrate Eagle Basket Tray. That's right, Philadelphia. Carson Wentz is out and Eagle Basket is in.
And I was up all night last night, but I was celebrating instead of doing installs because I used the prefab fittings. Work less, party more, because Cope is dope.
Hey Johnny, how can I party like you?
That's easy. With the Eagle Basket Tray system, we have all the accessories that you need. We have everything from covers to liners, waterfalls. We even have dividers, all with the quick latch system to get you off the job faster.
No more turnovers when you use Cope's Eagle Basket, manufactured right here in Northeast Philadelphia using U.S. domestic steel. And get out of the pocket quickly with our quick ship program.
And Cope will even do your takeoffs for you.
There you have it for this week's edition of Locust 2020, showing from Philly, Cope Eagle Basket, bringing clarity to the electrical industry.
Drop down and get your eagle on, girl.
Drop down.